The end of the world as we know it may happen one day, and the survival of the species depends on our ability to find new homes among the stars. In the world of astronomy, attempts are being made to find Earth-like planets that could become human harbors in the future. NASA's latest breakthrough in this field has the potential to change the course of humanity forever. As we cross the known boundaries of Earth into the universe, we embark on a journey never before seen in worlds that may one day support life. If you're interested in what the world has in store for you, please support and subscribe to Simply Space for more information on our global explorations. Join us on an exciting quest to find your future among the stars. The problem: despite the early discovery of planets in the solar system, it has become clear that planets such as Jupiter and Mars are unlikely candidates for future human habitation due to their physical characteristics. The natural compositions of these celestial bodies pose a major challenge. Establishing colonies would require a high-tech space station, and life would be severely limited. Many planets do not have a solid surface and suffer from extreme temperatures and extreme weather conditions that prevent human habitation. As a result, scientists around the world are turning to the search for potentially habitable planets outside the solar system. This strategic shift emphasizes the urgency of finding alternatives as Earth's viability diminishes. NASA has deployed cutting-edge technology in this pursuit, including the Kepler Space Telescope, which has become a key instrument in our quest for Earth-like exoplanets. Launched in 2009, Kepler was designed to survey distant stars and identify their orbiting planets, particularly those that resemble Earth in size and composition. During its operational years, the telescope observed around 190,000 celestial bodies in the constellation Cygnus, allowing astronomers to gather invaluable data on the characteristics of these far-off worlds. A recent breakthrough came when a team of researchers revisited the previously collected data and made an astonishing discovery: Kepler 1649c, a planet that bears an uncanny resemblance to our own Earth. The discovery of Kepler 1649c. The planet Kepler 1649c is about 300 light-years from Earth and orbits a small red dwarf star. This star is smaller and fainter than our Sun and is difficult to see with the naked eye. The researchers found that Kepler 1649c is 1.06 times the size of Earth, indicating that it is about the same size as our planet. The solar radiation received by Kepler 1649c is 75% of what the Earth receives, because the surface is much warmer than our planet. The climate and location of this planet make it one of the most Earth-like planets ever discovered, joining a select group of 4 known exoplanets with similar characteristics. The discovery caused excitement among astronomers and researchers, and increased efforts to find other Earth-like bodies. Kepler 1649c is unique not only because of its size and location in the habitable zone, where conditions can support liquid water, but also because of the advanced techniques used to detect it. The researchers use sophisticated computers to analyze light curves, which are patterns of brightness in stars that indicate the presence of rotating planets. This careful examination of the data has opened up new ways of understanding the universe and the processes necessary for life. Life possible on Kepler 1649c. While the discovery of Kepler 1649c is an important sign, the question of whether it could support life remains unanswered. A planet's ability to support life depends on many factors, including the composition of its atmosphere, the shape of its surface, and the activity of its central star. Although Kepler 1649c is in the habitable zone, where temperatures can make it liquid, scientists have raised concerns about the state of the rotating star. Red dwarfs, such as the orbiting Kepler 1649c, have been found to emit powerful bursts of radiation that can negatively affect Earth's climate and atmospheric stability. These conditions must be investigated by international teams to determine the true potential for life in Kepler 1649c. Besides its interesting features, Kepler 1649c is not alone in its orbit. Astronomers have identified another celestial body that coexists with a red dwarf star, and there's a hint of a third, yet-to-be-discovered planet. This discovery adds to the excitement surrounding the discovery of Kepler 1649c, as it reveals a system rich in planetary diversity. Kepler 1649c joins a growing list of known planets, including Proxima Centauri b and 7 planets orbiting the star TRAPPIST-1, reinforcing the idea that it may be many other worlds exist to support life. Is there another planet like Kepler 1649c? The results of the Kepler 1649c discovery go beyond a single planet. This raises the idea that many Earth-like planets are scattered throughout the universe. As technology advances and exploration continues, scientists are still hoping for the discovery of new celestial bodies similar to ours. The search for habitable exoplanets continues, leading to the belief that life may exist beyond Earth. The presence of water on some of these real estates makes the idea even more interesting, suggesting that the conditions necessary for life may be greater than previously thought. As humans face a threat to our planet, we are increasingly exploring the planets and looking for new homes. Discoveries made by telescopes like Kepler and collaboration between international research groups offer hope for the future as humans move into the new world. The potential for life on planets like Kepler 1649c excites our imaginations and prompts further exploration. What awaits us there? As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge, each discovery brings us closer to answering fundamental questions about our existence and life beyond Earth. As we continue our quest to explore the world, it is important to understand the importance of collaboration and innovation in space. Advances in technology, particularly in telescopes and data analysis techniques, have revolutionized our understanding of distant worlds. The discovery of exoplanets like Kepler 1649c shows the importance of re-examination and analysis of previously collected data, and suggests that planets are close enough to exist in the shadows of our previous investigations. It shows not just what scientists know, but how our search for extraterrestrial life continues to grow. As scientists push the boundaries of human knowledge, we are reminded of the deep mysteries that still await us in the universe. In addition, the consequences of finding planets can be beyond scientific curiosity. They raise ethical and philosophical questions about our role in the world and our responsibility to potential life forms. If we find life on another planet, what will that mean for our understanding of humanity's place in the universe? Will we expand our global control beyond Earth, or risk the mistakes of history by exploiting new worlds? As we move into the unknown, it becomes increasingly important to cultivate a sense of global responsibility. By promoting sustainable exploration and a deep respect for the environments around us, we can ensure that our journey to the world is not just about survival, but about preserving nature. Of life. Conclusion. In summary, the discovery of Kepler 1649c is a major step forward in the search for potentially habitable planets outside our solar system. As we face the reality of the future world and the challenges ahead, the opportunity to find a new home in the world becomes more and more important. Kepler 1649c acts as a beacon of hope, showing what is possible in the universe. Although it has not yet been determined whether this planet can support life, the search continues, thanks to technological advances and the collaboration of scientists around the world. As we look to the stars, we hope that one day man will find his way to a new world and ensure the survival of our species and our continued existence in the universe. What do you think about life on Kepler 1649c? Join the discussion and share your thoughts.